Hi, my name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 1, number 45, which reads, which question was McGuire's study of mental athletes primarily intended to answer? What you might notice is that number 5 is paired with number 46. So what we're going to do, I've already marked it out, we're going to go to the line references for number 46 and see if they're answering this question. Answer choice A. After her groundbreaking study of London cabbies, McGuire decided to turn her attention to mental athletes. Those lines seem to say just what McGuire is focusing on, that she's going to study mental athletes, but it doesn't say what question she's looking to answer about the study of mental athletes. So answer choice A is wrong. We go to answer choice B. They, as soon as you see a pronoun like they, you want to identify who they is. It says she, meaning McGuire, teamed up with Elizabeth Valentine and John Wilding. So when she's talking about they, it is including McGuire. What they want to do, they wanted to find out if memorizers' brains were, like the London cabbies, structurally different than the rest of ours, or if they're somehow just making better use of memory abilities that we all possess. As soon as it says they wanted to find out, and McGuire is included, then you know that it is answering the question about what question McGuire's study is intended to find out. So it looks like 33 to 37 is going to be your correct answer. We'll look at 38 to 43 just anyway, see what it's saying. The researchers put both mental athletes and a group of match control subjects into MRI scanners and asked them to memorize 3-digit numbers, black and white photographs of people's faces, and magnified images of snowflakes while their brains were being scanned. That's telling you the process of the study. It's not telling you what they're looking to answer. So, for number 46, answer choice C is wrong. And then, last but not least, we'll look at lines 52 to 54. What's more, on every single test of general cognitive ability, the mental athlete's scores came back well within normal range. That's telling you what they found, not the question that McGuire is looking to answer. So now we'll go to the answer choices. Answer choice A, does the act of memorization make use of different brain structures than does the act of navigation? When we talk about memorization, let's talk about memorization versus navigation. We're talking about two different things. The study is only about memorization, not about navigation. Answer choice A is wrong. Answer choice B, do mental athletes inherit their unusual brain structures, or do the structures develop as a result of specific activities? And answer choice B is wrong because it assumes that mental athletes have unusual brain structures, or they develop unusual brain structures. It's asking if they're structurally different or somehow just making better use of memory abilities that we all possess. So she's trying to find out if they're structurally different. She doesn't know they're structurally different. Answer choice B assumes that. And as it turns out, if you read later in the passage, they're not structurally different. Answer choice C. Does heightened memorization ability reflect abnormal brain structure or an unusual use of normal brain structure? That actually looks like it matches those lines well. So, abnormal brain structure, we get that with structurally different. And then better use of memory abilities that we all possess, which is the second part And that is answer choice C, unusual use of normal brain structure. And answer choice D, what is the relationship between general cognitive ability and unusual brain structures of mental athletes? Again, answer choice D assumes that mental athletes have unusual brain structures, which the question's that they're answering is whether or not they do have unusual brain structures, and again, later on in the passage we find out that they do not. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with these paired questions, or you could tag them in the comments. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official SAT or PSAT or ACT, you could leave that in the comments as well. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.